$80, but this is $200. What? Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today we are going to be unboxing the December 2019 Boxyluxe. I didn't even remember that December was going to be a Boxyluxe month, so when I saw this on my doorstep, it literally felt like Christmas, and I literally always say that Boxyluxe makes every month feel like Christmas, so I'm so happy that like there's a Boxyluxe in December because it's like so close to Christmas. But before I get to unboxing this, I wanted to do my comment shout out of the day. And my comment shout outs are Android Gal and Sunshine. So thank y'all for being the first two people to comment on my video. And if you want to be next video's comment shout out of the day, just continue subscribing and hitting that bell and then being the first person or second person to comment on my videos and you will get a shout out. But without further ado, let's get into this box. Now, this month's theme was Boxycharm Whimsy, so it's supposed to give like a whimsical feel, and I guess like it makes sense because I pretty much know that there's a Storybooks palette in this box, so that like sets the entire theme up. And I got variation number 22. So let's dig in. Okay, so the first thing in my box is this palette right here. This is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Brer Rose palette, and this retails for $55. It is like a book. These are the pages. You open it up, and it reveals the 12 shades up in here. They are a beautiful color story. This is how they swatch out. So this is the entire palette swatched on my arm. The mattes don't seem to swatch the best, but the shimmers swatch amazingly. So I'm looking forward to using this palette. Alright y'all, so I was going to try to film myself using this palette, but it frustrated me so much. These mattes, I had to build up so much and it wasn't working with my regular brushes. So I am going to take this off. The shimmer did work well, but it's just that the mattes frustrated me so badly. I don't think I would ever buy this palette for myself. Not gonna lie, I might put it up on Poshmark. I don't think I'd pay $55 for it though. And that's just my tea. The next product in my box was the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And this retails for $38. Correct myself, $39. And this is the consistency. It kind of has like the consistency of the watermelon mask. So I have high expectations. It doesn't really have a scent and it feels like I'm applying jelly on top of my skin. This actually feels amazing. So I don't know if my skin's gonna react poorly to this one, but thus far, upon first impression, it does feel really moisturizing. Let's see how long it takes my skin to absorb it to see if it'd be good under makeup as like a primer-esque kind of thing. But it is like leaving my skin really glowy. And my skin does feel hydrated. Like I can definitely feel the hydration penetrating through my skin. And I do appreciate that. And it seems to be drying up really quickly. So this might be a new moisturizer for under my makeup. Alright, so the next thing in my box is the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. This is how it looks. It looks beautiful. And it retails for $32, which is a bit expensive. But I did win the Jessica Rabbit highlighter from Ciate, and I do like that highlighter, so I have high hopes for this one. And I'm just going to be using my Luxie Tapered Highlighting Brush to pounce it all over the tops of my cheeks and see how this performs. Oh, okay. So off the bat, it looks a little bit more towards the pink side in my mirror. I don't know if it's reflecting pink in my camera, but it is a nice highlighter. It's not like beaming, but it's not like natural glow from within type of stuff. It's not bad. I see myself using it, but maybe when I am more tan, just because it feels like it is a little bit dark for my winter skin tone. On the nose, it does look beautiful though. I am going to be placing it on the inner corners of my eyelids as well. Alright, super bronzy. Definitely a more summer highlight for me. But not bad. I will use it again. So this is a thumbs up. The next item I just ran out of, and so this couldn't have come in a more better time. This is the Fresh Soy Cleanser, and this retails for $48. The one that I just ran out of is like this big. So this is like double the size. And I'm super excited because that little one lasted a while, so this one will probably last me even longer. And I don't see myself repurchasing this for a while, so I do like it because my skin, I guess, the more and more that I try out things on my skin, I realize that I'm more sensitive to things, and so this is actually really good for sensitive skin types, and I've been using it. I've been liking it. I've been trying not to repurchase the cleanser that I do love, the Clean and Clear one, until I finish all of the cleansers that I've gotten in my boxes, and this one seems to be a really good one for me, and I know a lot of people like the soy cleanser, so that is a thumbs up. The next item is the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade You Better Work, and this retails for $21, and the name scares the crap out of me. It's called Mattalic. So I don't know what to expect. It is a beautiful shade. It looks like it's gonna be matte, but again, I'm not sure. It smells amazing. Okay, so it is matte, but it does like shine. It looks like it has highlighter on it. This is not a bad shade. I can definitely get on board with this. Especially like for the winter months. Wow. Okay. And the smell doesn't go away, but the smell is bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. And that is You Better Work on my lips. I'm excited for this one. The next thing in my box is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, and this retails for $27. Now, I did just wash my hair, so I do just want to smell this instead of like putting it on my actual head. Oh, and it smells really good. Off the bat, my skin is turning hella white, so I do anticipate this turning my hair white. But it smells amazing. Like, honestly, amazing. And I'm always running out of dry shampoo because I use dry shampoo a lot. So I'm super excited to try this one out. The next thing is a little weird for me. It is the M Greengrass Dry Oil Spray in the scent Beach Air, and this retails for $36. This one is supposed to be like a dry oil, and you're supposed to be able to put it on your skin and your hair. It smells really, really good, and lathering it on to my arm, it definitely does give a sheen, but let's see how long it takes to absorb into my skin because apparently it is supposed to be fast absorption. I don't know how much I trust putting this on my skin. I definitely will try it, but I will not put it on my hair just because my hair tends, well, my scalp produces a lot of oil, so my hair does get oily in 2 days. Usually I wash my hair on the 3rd day, so I don't see myself using this for my hair at all. I'm kind of scared to use it on my skin, but I will try it on my skin. And it looks like it's not absorbing too quickly, but it is absorbing into my skin. Like, I can still feel it. It does make my arm feel a little silky, so I don't know. We'll see what it does to my face. It's kind of terrifying, but I will try it. The next thing I am super, super, super excited for. This is the QMS Lip Line Corrector. And at first, I thought this said $20, but this is $200. What? This is a serum for your lips, and I did put it on before my lipstick, and I did feel the hydration, but I do not know if I'd ever pay $200 for this. So thank you, Boxycharm, for putting this in my box. It is like a good product from first impressions, but I don't know about $200 for a lip serum. I don't know, y'all. Mind blown because I thought it said $20. Yeah. But last but not least, I have the Daily Hair Towel Wrap. And this is $18, and my mom has been expressing that she wants a new one. So I'm just going to give this to her because she does like using these things. So thank you, Boxyluxe, for always having something for my mom. So y'all, my Boxyluxe total for this month was $476. Definitely because of the lip serum, but this is still a pretty penny. And even though there was a miss, which was the palette, I definitely feel like this box was worth it, especially because my lips have been getting drier because it is winter season and I get to try out this $200 lip serum. So just that alone makes up for the entire box. So I do always feel like this box is worth it. But that is all. Literally, thank you, Boxyluxe, for making December feel like Christmas came early with this box. I do definitely highly recommend Boxyluxe, and I do have a referral link down below in the description. So if you do want to try boxycharm or Boxyluxe, you can click on that. But that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.